The members unanimously elected me, Noah Wekesa, as the chairperson of the committee, and under the chairmanship made the following resolutions. 1. The committee shall only consider candidates who are members of the constituent party, members of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance. Number 2, the committee requests any constituent party, members of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance, that wishes to nominate any person for consideration as a candidate for the position of Deputy President of the coalition to submit the name of such a person by close of business tomorrow, Thursday on 5th April 2022. 3, the committee will avail opportunities to any candidate who wishes to make any presentation to the members of this committee a chance to do so. All correspondence to the committee should be made to the secretary through running mate at azimio.ke.